Hey, it's Alex with Be Organizing. I wanted to go over and talk about your email. It's one of the biggest, it's a communication tool, as we all know, and people are just bombarded with it. There's so many emails that are coming in, and I always get people saying, I just want to eliminate my emails, I want to declutter my inbox. And when you subscribe to one thing or you order something and all of a sudden you're getting emails from every other type of company that's related to it, and maybe you want some of those, maybe you don't, and it takes so long to unsubscribe, and sometimes it doesn't work all the way, and sometimes you still want to keep them, but then you get a million emails a day with all their promotional things. So there's this great tool out there that we always are suggesting for our clients to help with their email inbox moving forward, which is Unrollme. So Unrollme is something that you can use to unsubscribe from emails. So you can literally, it will populate all your subscription emails right there in the program. It's then connected to your inbox, so that's how it's able to find all those newsletters, those subscriptions, anything that you may be on a mailing list for, email list for. And it will give you three options. It's keep in my inbox, roll it up, or unsubscribe. So keeping in your inbox obviously is that. Unsubscribe is unsubscribing from that email newsletter. The middle option is roll it up. And what they mean by that, which is what's so great about this, is let's say you still want to get that email about the discounts from, Michael's or whatever you love, whatever store you love, but you don't necessarily need 10 emails a day from all those different places like Groupons that come in, Michael's, Express, Macy's, Nordstrom's, whatever, and you can just roll it up into one email. So Unrollme does that for you. So you can say, okay, put it in my roll up, and it will send you a daily digest of those emails from that day or that came the day before. And so you'll still get those discounts. You'll still see all those emails coming in with promotions and things they have going on for sale. So check it out, Unroll.me. It's so easy to do. It's free. And they're able to do it for free because they do have some advertising through there. They don't sell your information or anything, but it's more that they allow advertisers on their website when you're going through and unsubscribing or unrolling or keeping in your inbox. So that's where they make their money. So anyways, check it out. It's easy to set up, and it's really nice just to be able to go into one spot and just be scroll through all your email list and do it right from there. Unroll.me. All right, till next time.